Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite channel, Dipol's Digi Creations, with a new video. So dear students, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, in short, JNV entrance exam was held on 11th August 2021. I hope every student did very well in the exam. So today we will discuss the maths section of this question paper. I hope this will help other students who will appear in the next entrance exam. So please stay tuned with me till the end of this video. So the first question is, a match lasts for half an hour. 1/10 of the match time is taken up for timeout. For how many minutes does the timeout last? Four options are given: A 5 minutes, B 3 minutes, C 6 minutes, and D, option D, is 4 minutes. Now dear students, you read the question very carefully, then try to answer. So here we have to find out the timeout. A match was played for half an hour. The match was played for half an hour. Half an hour means 30 minutes. And timeout is given. Timeout is given for 1/10 of the match time. So we need to find the timeout. So let us do. So what is the time for timeout? Timeout is equal to 1/10 of match time. Match time. And what is the match time? That means how long was the match played for? Half an hour. Half an hour means 30 minutes. 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Then 0 will get cancelled. Then what remains? 3 minutes. So the right answer, that means the right option is B. B is the right option. Okay, did you understand? Then let us go ahead. Question number 2. Question number 2 is given that if x by 25 is equal to 196 by x, then x is equal to, options are given. Option A 56, option B 70, option C 84, and option D 42. So it is very easy to find out. I will show you. So what do we have to do? You just multiply. You just do cross multiply. Okay, cross multiplication. X and x will be multiplied each other. X and x. X into x. X into x equal 25 multiplies 196. 25 multiplies 196. So x into x becomes x square. and 25 into 196. So we have to find the value of x. That is why we have to take, square root. If we take the square root of x square, we get x. And now the square roots of both of the numbers will be taken. So what is the square root of 25? The square root of 25 is 5, and the square root of 196 is 14. So the answer is 14 5s are 70. So which is the right option? B is the right option. This is how you can do, or you can solve these answers within a short period of time. Question number 3. An article is purchased for 7,500 rupees and sold for 8,400 rupees. The profit percent is, we have to find the profit percent, and the options are 8%, 10%, 12%, and 10 whole 5 by 7%. So what will be the correct answer we have to find? You see here the cost price, the price at which the article is purchased. Cost price, I mean CP means cost price. How much? 7,500 rupees. 7,500. And what is the sale price? SP. Sale price is 8,400 rupees. 8,400 rupees. Since sale price is more than cost price, there will be a profit. So what is the profit? Profit is denoted by P, and profit is 8,400 minus 7,500. Then we will get 900. The profit is 900 rupees. Now we have to find the profit percent. So how to find the profit percent? Profit percent is calculated by profit upon CP, cost price, into 100. So what is the profit here? Profit here is 900 rupees. 900 rupees, and cost price was 7,500 rupees. Then multiplied by 100. And 2 zeros and 2 zeros will get cancelled. Then 5 15s are 75, and 5 18s are 90, and 1 0. So 180 upon 15, and we will get 12. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is 12%. So the correct option is C. Correct option is C. Okay. A buys a radio at 3/4 of its marked price and sells it at 20% more than the marked price. So what is A's gain percent? So first of all, you should know what is marked price. So marked price is the printed price which is written over the article. Did you understand? Marked price means the printed price which is printed over the article. So A buys a radio at 3/4 of its marked price and sells it at 20% more than the marked price. So we will consider the marked price to be 100 rupees. So why do I consider the marked price to be 100 rupees? Because it becomes easier to find the solution. 100 means percentage is always related with marked price, or discount, etc. So that is why it would be convenient to consider the mark price as 100 rupees. Here percentage you can see. So what also percent means what? Something out of 100. That is why we should consider the mark price to be 100 rupees. So say MP. So what does MP stand for? MP stands for mark price, 100 rupees. And at what price A buys the radio? It means cost price. Cost price is 3/4 of MP. 3/4 of MP. So MP means mark price. So what is the mark price? 100 rupees. 425 is 100, and you get 75 rupees. So cost price is 75 rupees. Now at what price A sells the article, means the radio. Sell price 20% more than the mark price. So what was the mark price? Mark price is 100 rupees, and 20% of 100 rupees is equal to what? 20% of 100 rupees. 20% of 100 rupees. 20 rupees itself, isn't it? 20% means 20 by 100 and 100. So 20 rupees. So 20 rupees more. So sell price will be 120 rupees. You can clearly see that the sell price is more than cost price. That is why there will be a profit, so, or gain. So what is the gain? Gain will be 120 minus 75 rupees. SP minus CP. How much we will get? 5. 45. 45 rupees. Now percentage, gain percent. So gain percent will be gain. What is the mark price? Mark price into 100. So what is gain? Gain is 45. Mark price 100 and 100. You get 45%. So which is the correct option? Correct option is B. B is the correct option. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 5. Find the approximate value in whole number. So what is the question asking for? The question is asking for the approximate value, not accurate value. So you need not find the accurate value or exact value. You have to find the approximate value. In this case, you see all these are whole numbers, so we can multiply without any problem. We can multiply both of these numbers. 349 multiplied by 51. So when a number is multiplied by 1, we will get the same number itself, 349. And 5. Now we will multiply each and every digit by 5. 5 9s are 45. 4 remains. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 24. And 2 remains. 5 3s are 50. 15 plus 2 17. So 9 7 1 7. So what did we get? we got 17799. Thereafter, this number we can consider, we can assume 633. For the sake of, convenience for calculation. So 31, you can write 30. So we will get, both numbers are divisible by 1, 3. If we divide 3, then 3 times are 30, 3 2s are 6, 3. 17799 plus. So since the denominator is 10, that is why we can write as a decimal fraction, decimal 21.1. Decimal point will be just before 1 digit. So we can neglect this part, decimal part. So we can plus 21 with this number. So how many we will get? 1 9 10, 2 9 11 plus 12, 8, 17820. So 17820. Now you look at the options, and this number is very close to 17820. I think this number is very close to option C. So C is the correct option. You keep in mind this thing, that you have to find the approximate value, not the accurate value. Okay. Then next question is question number 6. A sum of money will double itself in 16 years at simple interest with a yearly rate of, the options are given, 10%, 6 whole 1/4%, 8%, and 16%. So before going to solve this question, I would like to clear the concept of all these things to you. Suppose I borrow 5,000 rupees. Okay, I borrow 5,000 rupees from a man in emergency, and the man says that I have to pay 500 rupees extra. 500 rupees extra. And suppose I have borrowed this amount for 2 months or 3 months. That's 2 months. Okay, 2 months. Then this borrowed money is called principal. Principal is denoted by P. And this extra money that I have to pay at the end of 2 months is called interest. Interest is denoted by I. And if I have to pay this 500 rupees extra money, then at the end of 2 months I have to pay how much? Rupees 5,500. And this is called amount. This is called amount, denoted by A. And one more important thing is there. Suppose rate of interest suppose rate of interest 5%. So what does it mean? If I borrow this percentage symbol denotes 100. If I borrow 100 rupees, so where does 100 come from? The 100 comes from this percentage. This percentage denotes 100 rupees. If I borrow 100 rupees, then I have to pay extra money, 5 rupees. 5 rupees, it means interest. And 5% per annum. So sometimes it is written like this, 5% per annum. So what does per annum mean? Per annum means per year, every year. It means yearly. So if I borrow 100 rupees from someone, I have to pay an extra money, and that is 5 rupees for 1 year. 1 year. Okay. So time is denoted by these 2 months. That means time is denoted by the letter T. So these are the important things to solve this question. So considering all these quantities, principal, interest, rate of interest, amount, we get some formulas which I am going to write on the board. Interest I equal P into R into T by 100. So P means principal, R means rate of interest, and T means time, divided by 100. You can get interest I. Here in this problem we have to find the yearly rate, that means rate of interest R. So we can write R is equal I into 100 divided by P into T. So I, and then amount can be written as amount is equal principal plus interest. Amount is equal principal plus interest. So interest can also be obtained by A minus P, amount minus P. You can see in this problem a sum of money, that means principal is not given, but we can consider the principal to be 100 rupees. 100 rupees. 100. Principal is 100 rupees. So why do I consider the principal amount, principal to be 100 rupees? Because when there is a matter of percentage, we will consider 100 rupees. It becomes easier to find a solution. So principal is supposed to be 100 rupees, and a sum of money means principal, and it becomes double itself in 16 years. Double means twice, 2 times. So amount becomes what? 200 rupees. 200 rupees in 16 years. That means time is given 16 years. And so what will be the interest then? Interest is this formula we can use, A minus P. It means amount minus P, principal. So we will get 200 minus 100 equal 100 rupees. It is the interest. And if we put all these quantities in this formula, we have to use this formula. So what is I? I is equal to 100 and 100 also. Principal is 100 and time is into time period. Now what is the time period? The time period was 16 years. So in place of t we will write 16. Then 100 and 100 will get cancelled. 100 by 16 remains. So on dividing 100 upon 16, that means 100 divided by 16 is equal 6 times. We will go 26. So we can write 6 whole 4 by 16. Then 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. 6 1 by 4%. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. B option is correct. So dear students, there were altogether 20 questions. The remaining 14 questions will be discussed in the next class. So don't you go anywhere. We will be back very soon. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and thank you so much for watching.